If you've been considering the 2019 GMC Sierra, then maybe you should take a look at the brand new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado is a sturdy and capable vehicle from the inside and out. With twin oval tailpipes, a large frame, and a prominent side profile, the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado is a great-looking vehicle with a strong and bold performance under the hood. When it comes to technology, the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado has a Wi-Fi hotspot built into the cab, as well as a wireless phone charging system, so you can always be available and prepared. The infotainment system has a touchscreen up to 8 inches, making readability and physical control easy. OnStar is also included for added safety and security. The 2019 Chevrolet Silverado offers 63 cubic feet of volume in its short box by widening by nearly 7 inches. The short box comes equipped with 12 fixed tie-downs that can easily handle 500 pounds of force. There is also a 120-volt power outlet and LED rear task lighting located in the bed, so you can keep going wherever you are. Come see why the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado is the perfect truck for you with our free 48-hour test drive. If you purchase it, we will cover it with our free lifetime mechanical warranty for as many years and as many miles as you own it.